Craving pasta with bold, savory flavor? We're making shrimp pasta with homemade anchovy oil, crispy dried anchovies that infuse the oil, juicy shrimp, and a sauce that clings to every strand of pasta. Let's dive in! Let's make some crispy anchovies in oil. Add avocado oil, then toss in dried anchovies. Cook gently over medium heat for about 20 minutes until they're golden and crispy. Scoop out the anchovies and set them aside, but keep that fragrant oil. This is the heart of the dish. Next up, pasta. Bring a big pot of water to a boil, drop in your pasta, and toss in a good pinch of salt. Cook it just shy of al dente, about 1 minute less than the package says. Meanwhile, heat a little anchovy oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the shrimp, season with salt and pepper, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, just until they turn opaque. Remove them right away so they stay juicy and tender. In the same pan, add a little more anchovy oil. Toss in scallions and garlic, sauté for about a minute until fragrant, then add halved cherry tomatoes. Let them soften for about 3 minutes. Pour in a splash of white wine, simmer for 2 minutes until it reduces, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the shrimp back in and give everything a good stir so the shrimp and sauce coat each other nicely. Then transfer your pasta straight from the pot into the pan. Add a splash of pasta water and toss for 1 to 2 minutes until the noodles soak up that glossy sauce. Finally, serve it up. Pile the pasta onto your favorite plate, top with those crispy anchovies, sprinkle on fresh parsley, and give it a glossy drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to finish. And there you have it. Shrimp pasta with anchovy oil, rich, savory, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for a cozy night at home or impressing your guests. You'll be making this again and again.